Welcome to the 16th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at the Consumer Rights Act, how you can enforce your rights and the rights of sellers. Citizens Advice Bureau, or the CAB, is an organization that offers free advice on consumer and other legal matters. A consumer is a person who buys goods or services for their own use. The Office of Fair Trading is a government office that can take action against traders who break the law. The Trading Standards Department is an official body that enforces consumer-based law. The law provides you as a consumer with the right to clear and honest information before you buy, get what you paid for, goods and digital content that are fit for purpose, services that are performed with reasonable skill and care. Faults to be put right free of charge or a refund or replacement provided and a fair contract. It also affects organizations that enforce the law. They can fight for compensation when customers have suffered harm at the fault of a product or service provided. If a dispute cannot be resolved informally, you can opt for alternative dispute resolution. This is a process which tries to sort out disputes between a consumer and a business, outside the court system. It is therefore quicker and cheaper. Mediation is usually the first step. It tries to sort out the problem by asking the two sides to set out the case. The mediator will suggest a solution. If this doesn't work, it will go to an adjudicator who will make decisions that both sides must accept. If you have bought goods or services and you are dissatisfied with them, you have the right to claim your money back, to make an exchange or to have a repeat of the service. You can contact the trader with details of your complaint, say what you want done, and give them a chance to put it right. If you're not happy with the outcome, you can get advice from the Citizens Advice Bureau. They can help with a variety of problems. The CAB may recommend that you go to a Trading Standards Department. They can investigate complaints about misleading descriptions or prices. They can take action against people who break the law. The Office of Fair Trading can take actions against traders who break consumer laws. In certain situations, consumers cannot claim refunds or demand exchanges. If you bought a shirt in a sale and you knew it had something wrong with it, you would not be able to claim your money back, because the seller didn't hide the problem from you. Sellers do not have to exchange goods, but most will do so as long as they have not been used. So, if you have bought clothes and change your mind later, you will find most shops are happy to exchange them, even if they don't have to by law. When you buy over the internet from a company trading in the UK, you are covered by more or less the same legislation as that which covers shop purchases, like, the goods you've bought should be of satisfactory quality, they should be fit for the purpose they are sold for, and they should be described by the seller. In the exam you might be asked to describe the rights that consumers have.
We go together.